Hi, I'm Thomas Bowles, Prince William County Agricultural Extension Agent. Welcome to our video.
The idea of soil health centers around having a healthy ecosystem in the soil. By having a healthy ecosystem in the soil, symbiotic relationships between plants and the organisms in the soil can form, and we don't need to add as much fertilizer, we don't need to add as many pesticides. It makes for better growing conditions for your plants. It makes for healthier conditions for the planet. The problem with figuring out how healthy a soil is that you're measuring an ecosystem where most of the inhabitants are microscopic. And so a lot of times we can do high-tech tests where you're measuring CO2 output and trying to get an indication of life from that. But that's expensive, it's time-consuming. So in New South Wales, Australia, a bunch of farmers got together and figured out some ways that they could measure how healthy their soil is. Ways that they can look at their soil, make an analysis, and then once they do management practices, they can go back and look at their soil and see, did it help or didn't it?
The scorecard is basically a matrix of 10 different areas that you rate from 1 to 9. You add those together to get a total score. One of the things I like about this system is that it's really easy to use and it doesn't require a lot of equipment. 2 out of the 10 areas that you're looking at have to do with living organisms in and around the soil. One is a worm count, and the other is a number of species that you can see in and on the soil. With both of these, you dig up a section of soil and you take a look at it. That brings us to this picture. This was taken on June 23rd at our teaching garden in Bristow. These are harlequin bugs. Not really what you want to see a lot of in the garden, but nevertheless, they were there in one of the raised beds. When I started to take a closer look, I realized there's all kind of life that's down there. Do you know how many species are there? Take a look and see if you can spot them all. Now this is a raised bed that's 4 by 6. It gets amended with compost every year. It gets cover crops in it. It's been, probably close to 10 years as a raised bed. And so there's been a lot of organic matter added to this. And as such, the organic life in the soil, the ecosystem in the soil, is highly developed. The diversity check is about numbers of species, not individuals. Did you spot them all? This is just one of 10 measures that are used to determine soil health. It's a simple, easy way to get an idea of the biological action that's going on in your soil. For more information on the New Rivers Soil Health Card, contact us here at the Horticultural Help Desk. We have a version of it that's in English units, and we can walk you through how to use it effectively for your situation. If you enjoyed this video, let us know. Please let us know if you have questions, comments, or suggestions for other videos and classes. For more information on soil health, lawns, gardens, growing vegetables, agriculture, food safety, contact us at the Extension Help Desk at mastergardener@pwcgov.org. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.